Now, for those of you beginners out there who enjoy cleaning your car, but you simply cannot get it finished because of the bad weather out there where it's either raining or it's too cold or it's even getting dark too early, I completely sympathise with you, because from an enthusiast point of view, there's nothing more demoralising when you're trying to get a fantastic job on your car and you simply cannot finish it. And one of the things that everybody likes doing to their car is actually finishing the job at the very end when you put either a ceramic spray coating or a quick detailer on it. Now, this can be a massive issue, mainly because of those reasons that I've said with the weather. But what if I told you that there was a quick and easy solution? Well, Infinity Wax have actually come up with it right here. This is an SiO2 shampoo. Basically, the aim of this product is to protect your vehicle whilst washing it. Bear with me, although you might think, okay, it's just another ceramic-based product, it could be just one of those buzzwords or a gimmick. It seriously isn't. And in this video, I'm going to prove to you just how good this really is. So this isn't supposed to be the most sudsiest of shampoos, it's all about the lubrication if anything. So what we're going to do is do a citrus pre-wash around the lower third as normal, do a snow foam, but then after we've done the snow foam, we're then going to apply some of this shampoo through a foam cannon, and then we're going to just use it as an added layer, so that's going to keep the sudsiness on the bodywork. So hopefully this is going to go quite well. Not quite sure how it's going to work out, but because this is so versatile in so many different ways, we've got lots of different options, so I'm trying to cover as many as possible in this one video. Before you say use a pump sprayer, yes, I know I broke the last one and I am getting another one very soon. This snow foam I'm using here is from Mile Deep, and I've been testing it for a little while now, and it's holding up really well. There's plenty of cling time, it does a good job of shifting the dirt, and it does give you a nice blanket of foam. So my Mile Deep video should be here by next week. And that's going to feature a few other products as well. So this is what happens to the shampoo. So it doesn't look like your standard shampoo, it feels very lubricated, and I'm going to show you in a sec. Once we rinse off the snow foam, what we're going to do is put some of this into a foam cannon. We're going to spray it on, and then we're going to get the wash mitt and go over the car, which will look like I'm going over the snow foam, but it's not. I'm actually going over another layer of shampoo. And that's probably the best way that you can do this, just so you can keep it lubricated and you can keep some suds. We're not going to say that this is going to have loads of suds, but there's going to be enough to work with. So watch the clip and see what happens. As you can see here, absolutely nothing in terms of sheeting. There's nothing on there, which is quite good because we washed it the other day and we actually stripped it all off, so we could actually film this video. But you'll see, so when it comes to putting the shampoo on in a minute, you're going to see a big difference if we come back to exactly the same location. I mean, look at that, it's still on there. That looks familiar. So once again, I'm going to go over the car one more time, but this time around I'm going to be using the SiO2 shampoo. So this is just going to give us that extra layer of lubrication. The suds are completely gone within seconds, but as you just saw when I first rinsed it, it actually had no water beading or sheeting whatsoever. So I cannot wait to do this step, and what I'm going to do after this is one more step actually, which I will show you, which is an alternative way of using this product, just so you can see all of the benefits of it in action. One thing I'm noticing as I'm flicking it like this, I can see droplets of water, literally like balls, flying off it. I mean, look at that. I don't know if you're going to see that on camera. Really interesting. I think this is just going to fly straight off the car, which hopefully will speed up the drying process. Seriously, come on. Leo. Oh, crying out loud. Come on, oh, you stupid thing. Look, you have to go on the grass and wash your paws off now. Go on. So, just going back to my bucket, as you can see it's very cloudy. It's definitely nothing like your traditional shampoos. Here we go, the moment of truth. that's just flying straight off. That is crazy. That's so good. Wow, look at that. Look at it open out. That is so cool. Wow, look at that. Look, bone dry. That is actually bone dry. Unbelievable. Right, so it's the following morning. So we did take the car out to do the school run yesterday, so there's probably a little bit of dirt on it. But actually you can see the difference between this and a car that hasn't got any protection on. Mind you, this didn't have any protection on because it was completely stripped off, so the only thing that's protecting it was the SiO2 that was in that shampoo. So I did get different results to what I was actually expecting when I was rinsing it, but now after it's all settled, I mean, look at that. That's really good. Yeah, very happy with that.